Hello children, today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 7, Python functions. First we will see the introduction about the function. Functions are named block of code that are designed to do some specific job. Function, which is nothing but it will have some set of instruction to perform some specific task. Every function should have a name, then only we can call the function whenever we need to do the specific task, which means the block of code will be executed by calling the name. Next we will see about the main advantages of the function. It avoids repetition, which means you don't have to type same set of instruction again and again. Instead you can reuse it. The next one is it provides better modularity. Last year we already learned about the modular programming, the same concept. It is applicable also in Python. The next topic we are going to see about types of functions. In Python we have 4 different types of function. The first one is user defined function. Second, built-in function. Third one is lambda function. Fourth one is recursive function. Let's see briefly about the types. First, which is nothing but user defined function. The function defined by the user themselves, which means function created by the user. The name of the function is very important in the user defined function. The next is built-in function. Built-in function, which is nothing but the function that are inbuilt within Python. Already in Python there are some inbuilt functions are available. Example, square root, power, etc. Next is lambda function. Lambda function, which is nothing but anonymous, unnamed function, which means the function that is defined without a name, that is actually called as the lambda function. The next function is the recursion function. Recursion is already function that calls itself is known as recursive. Already we studied last year. So that's all about the introduction of function, children. Thank you.